Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see program to print inverted left half pyramid pattern. So we will print a star. So we will print the star in the form of left half pyramid pattern. First, to solve this problem, we can use two nested for loops. Two nested for loops and inside another loop. So one for, then another, and inside two for loops we need. So we will see why we need individual two for loops inside one, and then outer loop will run for the rows and the first inner loop will print the spaces and second loop will print the stars. So this is how we will use. And if we observe carefully, we have inverted left half pyramid pattern for n row. So we will see what is left half inverted pyramid pattern. Suppose we have n equals to 4 and we need to print the star in the form of inverted left half pyramid pattern. So this is how we are going to print. So what we need to do, in the first row, we have 0 space and n stars. On second row, we have 1 space, this 1 space, and followed by n minus 1 star. Likewise, on third row, 2 space and n minus 2 stars. On last row, 3 space and n minus 3 star. So we need to print 1 star. Here you can see n is 4. So in first row, we will print 4 star. On second row, n minus 1 means 4 minus 1, which is 3 star. On third row, n minus 2 means 2 star. On a last row, we will print n minus 3 means 1 star. So this is how we will print on the nth row. Here n is 4, so 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 1, which is 4. So we need to print 4 star. On second row, we will follow same pattern till the last row. So first, we will see one step-by-step approach. First, we need outer loop from I equals to 1 to number of rows. And inside that, we need two for loops. First for loop, this is the inner loop. We need this for print empty space. So to print this empty space, we need one for loop and another inner for loop. We need to print star. And after that, we'll simply print new line to move to next row. And we will continue this iteration till I is less than equal to end. So we will see one coding example on this, how we can use these steps inside the coding and how to print. So here we will see how to write the code. First, we need one variable to store the how many rows we want to print. So we have n, and suppose I want to print 5 rows. Then we need one outer loop. Here I am using for loop int I equals to 1 and 1 is less than equal to n. inside that we need two inner for loops. First to print this empty space and second one is to print the stars. So first we will use inner for loop to print space. So this for loop will print I minus 1 space for each row. So here j equals to 1, j is less than equal to I minus 1 and I j plus plus. And print the space. Again, we need one inner for loop to print star. Int j equals to 1, j is less than equal to n minus 1, sorry, n minus I plus 1. So this is the formula. So here we have formula to print stars. Here we need to print n minus I plus 1 stars on each row. So this is the formula. And j plus plus. Right. Now we need to use println to move next line. It's done. Now we will run the code. Left up inverted. Now you can see it is printing left up inverted pyramid pattern. So this is how we will print. Remember this formula to print how many stars on each line. We will see with the help of dry run. So here we will see with the help of dry run how it is printing. Suppose here n is 5 and now I is 1 and inside I we have j. So first j is 1, right? We need to print space till j is less than equal to I minus 1. This is the condition for j first inner loop. This is the first inner loop and we'll see here j equals to 1 till j is less than equal to n minus I plus 1. This is the second inner loop. And what is the condition for I? I is less than equal to n. So here j is 1. We will see j is less than equal to I minus 1. Here I is 1 and 1 minus 1. First, sorry, first we will see 1. J is less than equal to I minus 1. Here I is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So j is not less than equal to I minus 1. Condition is false. So we don't need to print space. We will go to the next loop. Here we check j equals to 1. J is less than equal to n minus 1, n minus I plus 1. So n is 5, 5 minus I is 1 and 1 plus 1. So here 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, right? So we need to print how many stars? 5. Suppose here I am printing 5 stars. This is how we need to print. Now iteration is over. Go to the next line, println. So I plus plus, now I becomes 2. I is less than equal to 5. Yes, it is. 2 is less than equal to 5. So we will go inside the loop. Now j is 1. J is less than equal to I minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Yes, it is. So we need to print one space. So we will print here one space, right? After that, we'll again j increment. Now j becomes 2. 2 is less than I minus 1. So I minus 1 is the 2 minus 1 is 1. Who is less than 2 is less than equal to 1? No. So we will stop the iteration and go to the next loop. So here we'll check j is 1 and j is less than equal to n minus I plus 1. So here I is 2 and now 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is the condition. What? So 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So j is less than equal to 4. This is what we need to check. First we check j is 1 is less than equal to 4. Yes, it is. So we print the star here. Again j increment. Now j is 2. 2 is less than equal to 4. Yes, it is. Print the star. Again j increment. J is 3. 3 is less than equal to 4. Yes, it is. Print the star. Again check j is, now j is 4. Check 4 is less than equal to 4. Yes, it is. Print the star. Now j increment and now j is 5. And 5 is less than equal to 4. No, it's not. Then stop the iteration and back to the new line. Now cursor is on new line and I equals to 3. Again I is less than equal to 5. Yes, it is. Now go to the first loop and again check the condition, print the space. Now we need to print the space 2 times. And after that, we will go to the next inner loop. Again check the condition and this time we need to print 3 stars. Right? Again go to the next line, I increment. Now I is 4. Again check for the spaces. Now this time we need to print 3 space and print 2 stars. Again check. Now go to the next line, I becomes 5 and 5 is less than equal to 5. Yes, it is. Print the star. Go to the first inner loop for the space. Now this time we need to print 1, 2, 3, 4 space and 1 star. So this is how we will print the inverted left half pyramid pattern. If you find the content helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.